Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a stylus for your phone. So the materials we'll need is some foil, a pen, a Q-tip, scissors. First thing is we're going to get this pen and pull off the ink. We're going to bring the scissors and cut a little bit of the Q-tip. Piece and put it in the pen. Then we bring the piece of foil and wrap it around the pen. Here we go. For this pen to work, we'll have to dip it in some water. Then it works. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye!